Caesar 4.28.3. Okay, we're still in the middle of a storm here. So, Quai, okay, that referring back to the Nawes again. Plural, plural, feminine, feminine, right? So these ships, however, and this is a great, great ablative absolute here. All right. The anchors having been thrown. Anchors away there. By the way, you never throw an anchor. This is the PPP. You always lower an anchor. Otherwise, you're bound to get in trouble because you throw an anchor, next thing you know, your foot's underneath the rope, what have you. But if you lower the anchor, you're in good shape. All right. Now we've got a circumstantial clause since they were getting filled up by waves. All right. Imperfect, subjunctive. We're seeing a lot of those as we go through here. So they got a problem. They're taking in waves over the gunnel. Okay. What's happening here is they've moved into shallow water. And when you're in shallow water, that's when the waves begin to crest and break, and that's why the waves are coming over the gunnels. They're getting swamped. So let's see. You'll see what they do next. This is classic naval strategy. By necessity, and here's another. This is a little tiny ablative absolute. It actually does not have a verb form in it. This adversa is an adjective meaning disadvantageous. Night being disadvantageous. So that would be, there would be a verb to be participle in there, but there is no participle of the verb to be, so they just put the adjective and the noun there, and they're done. So night's coming on. Night's coming on, storm, this is a problem. Now, this guy, I know it's passive, but actually there's an active meaning. It's almost like a deponent verb. This is the PPP here, modifying the boats, sailing out onto the deep. Okay? Of course, altum always means the deep sea. They just leave out mare there. Sailing onto the deep, they sail for the mainland. All right. So what's happening is they're getting out in deeper water because the shallow water is giving them big problems. And you'll notice whenever we have our East Coast hurricanes, the fleet will set out from their naval bases and they'll actually go out into deep water and sail around trying to avoid the path of the hurricane and kind of wait it out in the deep water because they're actually safer there.